Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this very exciting video, we are going to solve one system of equations or simultaneous equations. Equations are x plus y plus z equal to 6, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 26, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 90. We have to find the value of x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4. While solving this problem, we will see algebraic identities, we will see the manipulation steps, and then we will find out the required expression value. So let's get started by writing whole square sum formula for three variables. So let me write x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. This is very common and renowned square formula. Let's put the value. 6 square equal to, this value is 26 plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. So we will write 36 minus 26 divided by 2, that is 10 over 2, 5. So that is equal to xy plus yz plus zx equal to 5. Okay, this we will call equation number 1. Now let's take one cubic algebraic identity, that is, let me write x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z in one bracket, in second bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz, this is minus plus zx. Okay, see, everything is known except xyz, the product of three variables. So let's put the values. Values are x cube plus y cube plus z cube 90. Here I will put 90 minus 3 times xyz equal to, here I will put 6 bracket. Square addition is 26, so this value is 26. I will write here 26 minus, just we have calculated equation number 1, that is xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 5. Simplify this one, 21 times 6, so 126. So this value is 126. Now 3xyz will be 90 minus 126 minus 36. So from this equation we have got x, y, z, the product of three variables, minus 12. And this we will call equation number 2. Okay. Now we have to find the value of x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4. See, these values we calculated, so I kept in blue color. Okay, we have to find the fourth power sum. So let me write x square plus y square plus z square whole square. If I will take whole square of this, then I will be getting x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4 plus 2 times ab. AB means x square y square z square plus z square x square. The left hand side x square plus y square plus z square is 26. See, it is given to us. We will put that value. Now point is how to find out x square y square plus y square z square plus z square x square. So to find out this value, mainly this part only, we have to use xy plus yz plus zx whole square. This is the only point of this question. Let's write the square of that. So it will be a square plus b square, second term square, third term square, plus twice times bracket the product of 2. So x y square z plus what I should write, y z square x plus z x square y. Okay. Now our target is this term. Now left hand side, see, this is we calculated equation number 1. So let me put this value. This value is 5. So I will write 5 square. Right hand side, this is required, x square y square plus y square z square or z square x square plus, let's take xyz common. So in bracket there must be x plus y plus z. Now task is done. This value was required and see xyz, that is equation number 2. Let's put the value. 25 is equal to x square y square plus y square z square plus z square x square plus 2 times xyz is minus 12 and x plus y plus z. This is our equation number 1 of the given problem, that is 6. Okay. Now only simplification. 25 equal to this bracket. Let me write x square y square plus y square z square plus z square x square minus 144. 12 times 12 minus sign. So x square y square z square z square x square is equal to 25 plus 144, that is 169. Okay, this is we will call equation number 3, and I need to put only in this square expression. Okay, this square formula we will put this value. Let me write x square plus y square plus z square whole square is equal to x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4 plus 2 times what I should write, x square y square plus y square z square plus z square x square. Only need to put all the values. Let me put all the values. Left hand side is 26 square. Okay. This is what we have to find out. So x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4 and plus 2, and this is equation number 3. We calculated just equation number 3, that is 169. 26 square is 676. X power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4. This value is 338. So our answer is there. That value will be 676 minus 338. So answer will come out 338. This is how we will calculate, and this was one Olympiad maths problem. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.